Now, no motor show would be complete without the launch of a new Ferrari, would it? This is the F8 Tributo, which is a heavy facelift of the 488, which in turn was a heavy facelift of the 458. Confusing, isn't it? But a lot has changed on this car. The only two things that remain the same from the old 488 are the doors and the roof. Everything else is different, such as the front here. Much slimmer headlamps. We've got an S-duct here, very similar to the type you find on the 488 Pista. It's a bit smaller, but it adds 12% of downforce. All the wings down here aid downforce. These little vents down here, they aid the cooling. There's lots and lots of subtle, detailed improvements on this car. Now at the back, there's quite a big change because, excusing my colleagues here who are also filming the car, this panel of glass here, it's supposed to hark back to the Ferrari F8 of the late 80s. You can see right down into the engine as you'd expect. And at the back, there's a fixed carbon fibre rear wing and the double rear lights as well, very reminiscent of Ferraris of old. Inside, it's quite a change actually. There's a new dashboard. The vents are from the F12 Ferrari. You can't see it, but there's a little screen here, touch screen, that's 7 inches. The Manatino switch on the steering wheel has been recalibrated. It's supposed to offer a lot of the same settings as the 488 Pista. And speaking of which, this car has an upgraded version of the 3.9 litre twin-turbo V8. In fact, it's the same engine that you've got in the Pista, so that's over 700 brake horsepower. Now, Ferrari haven't confirmed prices for this yet, but you can expect it to be more than £200,000, but less than £250,000. What do you think to it? Let us know in the comments section below.